Now let's look at the car plate. BGA chip is automatically removed. Use LDTF630 Optical Alignment Repair Table Operation. Start now. When we hit the start button, the upper part of the air nozzle will automatically come down. Perform an automatic heating. The next step is to wait for the heating to finish. The heating process takes time. Please wait patiently. Tell when you hear the drip, the heating has arrived in advance. In 10 seconds, the device will automatically suck this BGA. It's now automatically absorbed. Here comes our car plate BGA. It's already disassembled. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.